Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we are back, and we are doing another noodles and food video. So, and we're yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that post notifications bell and leave a comment. And yeah. And we got some hot and spicy chicken noodles. They smell so good. Yeah, that smells so good. Yeah, you can get these at Walmart, H-E-B, and Kroger's, I think. You can get Walmart, H-E-B, and Kroger's. See if Walmart. Oh, Kroger. Yeah, Kroger and Walmart. So good. Okay, let's get it. Then I have to like drink with. Oh yeah, I got a drink. I got cream soda. Is all it is. Okay, guys, I'm back. So good. So good. These noodles are so good. Look at these noodles. Look at that. So good. Okay. Okay. That's better. And I got a little squishmallow. And his name is Cookie Dough. Because his ears are like chocolate. No, his ears are his ears are like cookie dough. There's like the color cookie dough. His eye is like a peach color. And you got the white right here. And then you got the brown under, like chocolate ears. And yeah. So, yeah. What is that? Where do you put it? On the chair? No, it was probably from that counter. Or that one. Ooh. Look, guys. I'm in the noodles. Me and my buddies in the noodles. We're stuck in here, noodles. Yeah, we're stuck in here. We're stuck.
You break this. It's so hard, dude.
We already know that. We already saw his hair. Hey, Cameron. Your hair is so orange. It's ginger, Nene. Where's Nene? Hey, girl. else is there?
Bro, we just got this yesterday. Why is there only 2 bags in here?
I only have one bag of those.
It's 2 bags. Nobody has enough those.
Hide them.
What?
Hide them.
Why would I hide them? Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Move.
We're eating some noodles
No, stop.
and
Move.
let me see. Wait, you can't hear what I'm finna say.
Guys, tell me what he said in the comments. Hey, hey, hey. You don't have no decoration in your video. Scoot your noodles. Oh no. Yeah, put it. Cameron. Cameron. These noodles are so good. Hey, hey. You have a Panda Express card. All you gotta do is dab. You doing it too close. You dumb. People actually do put cereal in the cabinet. What? You just got what? What root beer? I don't even drink the root beer. I haven't even drunk it, none. I drank the cream soda and the Fanta. No, the cream soda. There's a normal root beer in there. Why are you not over the counter?
What word is
What are you eating? City's amazing. Kenna. Why are you yummy.
Good.
And just like, yeah. Yeah, I'm finna drop many. Look, guys, I'm finna drop this Jenga block in my noodles. 3, 2, 1. It's actually in there. I'm gonna grab it out. It look like I'm actually in it. Okay, I'm finna grab it out. I'm actually am in the noodles. I'm just finna grab it out. Again, I'm finna just put it back. Nah, I don't want to eat no Jenga block, so. Magic trick. I'm gonna put this cup in there. I'm gonna grab it out. Magic. Magic. I can grab so many coconut little things out of this thing. Watch. I'm gonna do it right now. Handful. Magic. Magic. Angels fly, yeah.
I just poured the milk out. You're dumb.
Left, do it, right, do it. Then why do you have milk right there?
That's not milk.
Then what is that?
Ointment.
What?
Ointment. It's cream. I have a burn. You got it. Eat it. Done eating it.
It was not right there.
Yes, I just put it on.
Where is it then?
Pocket?
Let me see it.
No.
And then I can make demon horns on my lip. My lip is a demon.
You just said your lip is a demon.
I said my lip is a demon. Look.
And where?
You know that stuff ugly, right?
I literally I have to be like this everywhere I go.
Why?
I have to. Yes, bro. So, because every time I go like this, the abs. But when I
What abs?
Dylan. These bad boys.
Those are not abs. These bad boys.
I like your facts.
For real, you weigh like a billion. No, I'm playing.
Excuse me. At work. Or on the phone. Huh? Huh? In the front, where? Oh, yeah. She on the phone, on her work phone.
Well, guys, this is the end of the video. So I'll see you guys next time. And
You
then,
are gay.
no, right. Okay, guys. In the next video, we are going to be doing probably another food video, but I don't know. So, but I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.